Hi, I'm Steve from the Stone Crafting Workshop. Today I'm going to do a review of this. It's the Roughneck pallet bar. I've had this one now for about a year and a half. I bought it from Screwfix, and this one has a 1 metre long handle. The ones they sell today have a 43-inch handle, which is 5 inches longer basically, which I think is an improvement. It's a really useful tool if you take apart pallets. In fact, I would go as far as to say you shouldn't bother taking apart pallets if you haven't got one. It has these really big tines on the bottom with loads and loads of leverage, tons of leverage, and it also has a nail slot here for pulling out nails as well, which is also pretty handy. I wouldn't say it's the only tool I use for pulling apart pallets, but it's certainly the first one I reach for. And I'm going to show you at work now on a pallet like this, which is actually pretty awkward for this pallet bar. The cross struts here are too wide for the tines of the pallet bar to go around, and the boards are too wide for the most part. So I'm going to show you me using it and pulling this apart. It's not a race. I'm not one of these lads who says, how quick can you pull a pallet apart? Because the important thing for me is keeping as much of the timber in one piece as possible, because I have a project in mind for this particular timber. So as you can see, I've laid this pallet face down because I'm going to try and take these back struts off first. And there's nowhere at the moment for this bar to get a grip on, really. As you can see, it's not ideal. So I'm just going to put a block underneath that, and hopefully that'll give me a bit of leverage. And there you go. How easy was that? Try the other end, it might be. I don't want to stress the timber. Look for the weakness and go for it. That's not what I wanted. I've got some. I'm just going to use a rubber mallet. I never use a metal one on this. I don't want to damage the bar. There you go. The last joint is always the hardest. There we go. Now I promise you that this was a hard one to pull apart. Look at the length of the nails. 4-inch nails, and it's quite tough timber. And out of this whole pallet, I think I've only split 1 or 2 of the boards. The rest of them are good, usable material, which is what I wanted. So, that's the Roughneck pallet bar in operation. It's not magical, but it is one hell of a good tool. I wouldn't start to take apart pallets unless this was standing there ready to be used. It's the first port of call. And even with this pallet, which was really difficult to pull apart, long nails, tough timber, the boards are too wide for the tines to reach over, it still popped it apart. It's only taken me about 5 minutes, and it's relatively effortless. It's also without drama, which is what you want when you're pulling apart pallets. Thanks for watching. I hope this is of some use to you. I hope you find it interesting. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see me do more tool reviews, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.